How to disable in-app purchase in Candy Crush Saga. First, Candy Crush Saga itself does not have a toggle to disable purchase inside the app. To block purchase, you will need to control it through your phone setting. Easy and safe. Go to Settings, search Screen Time, and tap Content in Privacy. Turn it on and tap iTunes and App Store Purchase. Set in-app purchase to Don't Allow. Now Candy Crush won't able to process any in-app purchase at all. And that's it. Users lock down purchase in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Got question? Drop them below. Like if this give you peace of mind, and subscribe for more quick game tips. See you in the next one.